case I'm attacked. I'm making records, my fans, they can't wait. They write me letters, tell me I'm great. So I got me an office, gold records on the wall. Just leave a message, maybe I'll call. Lucky I'm sane after all I've been through. Everybody say I'm cool. He's cool. I can't complain, but sometimes I still do. Life's been good to me so far. I go to parties sometimes until 4. It's hard to leave when you can't find the door. It's tough to handle this fortune and fame. Everybody's so different, I haven't changed. They say
How y'all doing? Yeah, my name's Colt Ford. I got my boy Brantley Gilbert in here with me. We just some country boys from Georgia. We're gonna do a little something about the dirt roads that we come from. I'm gonna rap a little bit. You feel like singing?
Yeah, brother.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'm chilling on the back road, laid back rolling to some George Jones. Smoke blowing out the window, and I still be sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on the good times. Sitting turning off a real life driving, that's right. Hitting easy street on mud tires, that's right.
Back in the day, pot farm was the place to go. Load the truck up, hit the dirt road, jump the barbed wire, spread the word, light the bonfire, then call the girl. King in the can and the Marlboro man, Jack and Jim were a few good men. When we learned how to kiss and cut and fight too. Better watch out for the boys in blue. And all this small town, he said, she said, ain't it funny how rumors spread? Like I know something y'all don't know. Man, this shit is getting old. Man, mind your business, watch your mouth before I have to knock your loud ass out. I'm tired of talking, y'all ain't listening. The more dirt roads is what y'all missing.
chillin' on the back road, lay back rolling, do some George Jones. Smoke blowing out the window, and nice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on the good times. Sitting turning off a real loud driving, that's right, hitting easy street and mud tires.
I sit back and think about them good old days, the way we were raised in our southern ways. We like cornbread and biscuits, and if it's broke round here, we fix it. See, I can take y'all where you need to go, down to my hood, back in them woods. We do it different around here, that's right, but we sure do it good, and we do it all night. So if you really want to know how it feels to get off the road with trucks and four wheels, step on in, tell your friends that we'll be raising hell with a black top beam.
Chillin' on the back road, lay back rolling, do some George Jones. Smoke blowing out the window, and nice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on the good times. Sitting turning off a real loud driving, that's right, hitting easy street and mud tires. Yeah, I'm chillin' on the back road, lay back rolling, do some George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window, and nice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights, got me reminiscing on the good time. Sitting turning off a real loud driving, that's right, hitting easy street and mud tires.